Hello YouTubers, this is a river clan, but that's me by the way. It's my awesome rabbit. We're doing a river race. It's like a river clan. We're doing the game river race, and it's really fun. I'm just videotaping this because I'm bored. Friends 567 is a really cool person. She has so many lion plushies. So yeah, just wait for more people. One more person. By the way, at Mount Shiver today was like a really awesome trading party. Oh, it's taking so long. Yeah, it's taking really long because nobody's playing. I don't think they know how. Ugh, only person. Come on! Just click multiplayer. Somebody keeps on begging me for tail armor. Monkey, sorry. Oh. Ugh. Just like killing people. People are leaving. Oh my god. I should have videotaped it when I actually got to play it. I thought of recording right after I finished that. So, okay. Well, sorry. I'm gonna do a different video about this, but I'm gonna put this on YouTube anyways because my bunny is awesome. Bye, YouTubers. Bye. See you in the next video.